Hi everyone, just a quick video about the Asentiv Global Business Community. Obviously it's a community here at the moment of 69 members from all different parts of the world, and we're looking to grow that community of authentic business people. You can go here and invite your LinkedIn connections, and if you want to connect with the people in here, obviously the group's no good if you're not engaging. What I mean by that, you could come in and post a message in, put an image up, give an idea of who you are, what country you're in, and the types of people you're looking to engage with. It's not a place for selling, it's a place for developing authentic relationships, a place of where you can develop that know, like and trust, and once you've got a relationship, to see how you can help each other to network. You can't expect complete strangers that you meet, say, at a Zoom meeting for 5 minutes, to go out of their way to help you. Obviously, if you click and you like each other, very easy to do. But to start those relationships, what you could do is click see where it says see all. That means you're going to see all the members. And you can go down here and just look at their bio, yeah. And ideally, what I'd recommend is clicking on, like I'm just looking down here to see. I'm looking for my friend Alan, so I can go to. Let me just see. Where's Alan? And let me see, just scroll down, there's Alan. So you can right click, yeah, and you can go and look at Alan's bio, say, or whoever the member is, to get an idea of who they are, yeah, and the types of things they're interested in. You can look at the mutual groups, different things like that, to give you an idea of who they are, what they do, a bit of their back history, to get a sense of who the person is, skills and endorsements, different things like that. And just to give an idea of who they are, where they are, what their interests are, and then reach out like by messaging. You can click a message here, and then it'll come up and you can send them a message. And it's that simple. Obviously, don't bombard them with marketing messages like the new best offer, the new best deal. Just interact and connect with them, perhaps reach out. So I was reading your bio, I was very interested in this, I'd like to reach out and make a connection with you and to get to know each other better. But if you're not doing that, then there's no point being in the group, because obviously there's some really like phenomenal people here. I don't know everyone here, but the ones I do know, they're phenomenal people. So like I said, like reach out, invite your connections, but a post in here, introduce yourself, who you are, the type of people you're looking to connect with, your interests, your hobbies. Let the people in the community know who you are. And this is a free group, it's not going to cost you anything to be in here. And also we put up like the different events we've got coming up, so it'll keep you up to date with what's coming up. And also at the same time, you can reach out if you're struggling, you've got a problem. You can either, once you've got those relationships, bear in mind none of us has got all the skills, so if we reach out to experts and we've got a relationship with them, yeah, they might be able to point us in the right direction. We've all got different skills. When we unify those skills, as in my weakness could be your strength, or vice versa. So anyway, I'm Tunney-Ware. I hope the video helps you, and I look forward to seeing some engagement in the group, and I hope the group will serve you going forward, and look forward to seeing you on many of our events going forward. Take care.